Why use public transportation? Benefits of public transit. Your car isn't freedom, it's an expensive treadmill. Step off and public transit pays you back in time, money, and headspace. I learned that the hard way in Chicago traffic, then switched to the L and never looked back. On transit, the minutes aren't wasted. I read, queue up podcasts, even clear emails while everyone else rides the brake pedal. Here's the math that stings. Gas, parking, insurance, and maintenance quietly eat hundreds every month. Ditching daily driving slashes those fixed costs and the surprise ones, tickets, tolls, flats. Meanwhile, buses and trains move more people with less fuel, cutting emissions and noise. Add a short walk to and from the stop, and you sneak in daily exercise without finding time. Quality of life shifts too. No circling for parking, no rage at gridlock, predictable arrival times, and energy left at the end of the day. Scaled up, it means fewer cars on the road and safer streets. If you haven't priced your commute lately, do it. You might be paying for stress you don't need.